So hey guys, Dylan here. Today we're going to be doing the video for Brian Anthony's box break. I'm going to be randomizing all 30 NHL teams in order 3 times, and then all the names in their ass 3 times. So good fucking luck, everyone. We're live. So this is all the teams, as we all know. Anaheim on top, and the best right here. I think Gerber would agree. And Winnipeg at the bottom. So good luck, everyone. So again, this is just randomizing the teams, and then we're going to randomize the names to see who gets what. So timestamp is 02/25/29. So this is for the time stamps for team random. Okay. And third and final time. So we got Nashville on top. Timestamp is 02/25/58. Not going to go over all the names because, after all, so I got to go copy all the names of the teams. Okay, and then we're going to be doing all the names of the people in the group. So we're going to go to a new randomizer. Okay, so the randomization of the people that took the spots. We got Chad on top and Gerv on the bottom. So 3 times. Good luck, everyone. This will determine who gets what team. Timestamp is 02/27/01. There we go. Oh. Timestamp for names. That way it's just easier for you guys to understand what timestamp. Okay, and the third and final time. Good luck, everyone. So we got Franklin on top. Timestamp is 02/27/33. Then I will copy all the names. Whoop. Sorry. Post the same timestamp twice, but as you see, they're different. So here is the official list. So we got Franklin Davis with the Nashville Predators, Brian Anthony with the Winnipeg Jets, CJ Gibson with the Islanders, Steve Mathis with the Minnesota Wild, Adam Anthony with the Columbus Blue Jackets, CJ Gibson, Chicago, Ralph, Buffalo, Franklin, Tampa, Chad, Detroit, CJ, Florida, Steve, Colorado, Gerv, Arizona, Ralph, Ottawa, Brian, Edmonton, Sean, Carolina, Gerv, Pittsburgh, Franklin will get the Canucks, Chad will get the Ducks, Steve will get the Rangers, Ralph will get the Blues, the Blues right there, CJ will get Toronto, Gerv will get the Kings, Gerv will also get the Bruins, Sean Norbury will get the Capitals and the Flames, Chad will get the Flyers, Ralph will get the Canadiens, Steve will get the Stars, and the Devils will go to Steve. So I will post this in the comments so it's easier for you guys to see after the video's been up. So there we go.